Good morning. Today we will study a very basic concept. First of all, we will know what does mean by atomic number, then mass number, then nuclide symbol. Come to our first topic, that is atomic number. Atomic number is defined as the number of proton present in an atom of any element. किसी भी एलिमेंट के एक एटम में कितने नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स प्रेजेंट हैं वही उसका एटॉमिक नंबर होता है. सो लेट अस राइट इट्स डेफिनेशन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एटॉमिक नंबर it is defined as the number of protons present in an atom of any element. For example, if we are saying atomic number of sodium is 11, it means it has 11 number of protons. So for example, sodium has atomic number 11. It means that it has sodium has atomic number 11. So it means that it has number of proton of sodium atom is equal to 11. Second terminology that we have to study is mass number. So what is the mass number? Mass number. One more thing I have to add here. Generally atomic number is represented by Z. Similarly, mass number is generally represented by capital A. And what is mass number? It is the sum of number of proton and neutron present in an atom of any element. Very simple. Mass number क्या होता है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय ए. इसे कैपिटल ए से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, दर्शाते हैं. और होता क्या है, ये योग होता है, सम होता है किसका? नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स और नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स कितने हैं उनका सम कर लीजिए, वही आपका मास नंबर हो जाएगा. सो वी कैन राइट इट डेफिनेशन एज it is the sum of number of protons and neutrons present in an atom of any element. It means that we can write mathematical expression for this one as A is the mass number is equal to number of proton plus number of neutron. From here we know that number of A is nothing, atomic number is nothing, but number of proton, we have studied this. So that is, here I can write it as, I can add it as here I can add it as Z is nothing but the number of proton. In a simple word we can say this from the definition. So here Np is nothing but it will be Z. So we can write it as A is equal to Z plus N. So here we can conclude that number of neutron in an atom is equal to A minus Z. This is the one of the formula we use for finding number of neutron, that we have to subtract atomic number from mass number. Now come to our next terminology, that is nuclide symbol. What does mean by nuclide symbol? Nuclide symbol. It is a way of representation. It is nothing but a way of representation of an element with its symbol. symbol के साथ एक एलिमेंट के रिप्रेजेंटेशन को क्या बोलते हैं? न्यूक्लियाइड सिंबल बोलते हैं. और कैसा रिप्रेजेंटेशन है? रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ एन एलिमेंट विथ इट्स सिंबल हैविंग एटॉमिक नंबर एज subscript and mass number as superscript. How it will be represented, I will show you here. So first of all I will write its definition. It is the representation of an element with its symbol having atomic number as subscript and mass number as superscript. So how it will be represented? I told you about, first of all you have to write the symbol. Suppose X is the general symbol for any element, and we know that atomic number is represented as Z, and we have to write it atomic number as subscript. Subscript means down. Either you write down this side or this side. So I have to write here Z, and mass number as superscript. So mass number is represented by capital A. So I will write it here A. So this is the general representation of any element of nuclide symbol. It is general nuclide symbol representation, where this X represents symbol of element, A is mass number, and Z is atomic number of that element. For example, suppose we have to write the nuclide symbol for sodium. Then we will write first of all its symbol as general Na. We know, right? The symbol for sodium is Na. Its atomic number is 11, so we have to write it as subscript. Here 11 I have written as subscript. Now I have to write mass number as superscript. So mass number is 23. So this is the representation, nuclide symbol representation of sodium.